In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your ConvertKit emails in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and going to convertkit.com. Log into your account to access your dashboard. Make sure you are in the account where you want to manage and edit your email broadcasts. Next, you'll need to find the GIF you want to use. A great place to browse is Giphy, which has a wide variety of GIFs from funny to professional animations. Once you find a GIF that matches your email's message, right-click on it and choose Save Image As. Make sure it's saved in GIF format and place it somewhere you can easily locate on your computer. Now return to ConvertKit and click on the Send tab. Then select Broadcasts. Open the email you want to edit. In the email editor, find the spot where you want the GIF to appear. Click the image area and select Replace to upload your saved GIF. After uploading, review your email to make sure the GIF looks right and enhances your content. Once everything is perfect, save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your ConvertKit email, making your campaigns more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful ConvertKit tutorials.